Hey, it's James Nicholson from rocketmarketinghub.com. I hope you guys are well. And right now I'm in Grand Central Station. Look at that over there. You can see it's probably one of the most incredible buildings in the whole of New York, and it's actually used as a rail terminal, still active today. Now, if you've ever been to New York, I'm sure you've seen this beautiful building, and if you haven't, you should put it on your bucket list because it is an absolutely amazing place. Now, right now, I'm in the Apple store in Grand Central. Now, at the top of these beautiful stairs down here, you've got the Apple store. Now, one reason I've come to check it out is I love Apple gadgets because my first business, we sold iPod accessories and iPhone accessories, and always a sucker for anything Apple nowadays, so I'll always buy their new gifts that they have, the new products that they have. And one thing about Apple that I admire quite a lot is how they just build an ecosystem that just works together. So unlike Android phones where you might buy the phone from one manufacturer and get the software from another, for example, you might get the phone from Samsung and use the software that's provided by Google, Apple make all of their own software, most of their own products themselves. What that allows them to have is big margins. Now, Apple phones are always premium priced. They're always one of the most expensive smartphones on the market, giving Apple huge margins. And they also then look at releasing other products and services that complement the products that you buy. For example, if you buy an iPhone, they will offer you Apple Music. If you have a MacBook, they'll have various software programs and stuff like that. And these are products that have big margins for Apple and allow them to sell more to their existing customers, because people, other businesses that aren't as profitable will not do that. You need to look at how you can sell more to your existing customers, and Apple is the absolute benchmark for that. They're one of the biggest companies in the world, one of the most profitable companies in the world, and that's because they're selling more and more to their same customers. Other things that they sell are things like cases. They've got speakers coming out very soon as well, headphones. All these different things add up to give Apple that extra margin that makes them the ultimate success that they are today. So think about how you could do the same. What could you sell in your business? What could you add to your business to create extra margin for your business? So that's it from me. I'll see you guys soon. Hope you guys are well. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.